So we got this situation. Let fractional part of p denotes the fractional part of p, okay? Then this. So look at this. This is also talking about remainder. Okay? Means suppose that if you will divide something by something. Okay? Like suppose you wish to divide 10 by 8 and you wish to get fractional part. So how can I write? Can I write this thing as 8 plus 2 by 8, and can I connect that 8 by 8 is 1 plus 2 by 8, and you know that fractional part means what? The integer becomes 0, correct? So fractional part becomes 2 by 8, correct? And what is this 2 by 8? This 2 is the remainder if you will divide 10 by 8, correct or wrong? So can I write this question as I on the numerator I will be writing remainder, and on the denominator I'll be writing 8. You got my idea? So this is also asking about remainder. So the point is 3 power 200 is divided by 8 and you have to find the remainder. Clearly you can see that numerator is smaller. Numerator is smaller than denominator. So what we have to do? We have to start reading the table of power of 3, and we have to get closer to 8. So 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So 3 power 1 is 3, 3 power 2 is 9, and 9 is very much closer to 8. So can I, we have to take power 2. So can I write this thing as 3 power 2 power 100 means divided by 8, which means can I write this thing as 9 power 100 by 8, and can I write 9 as 8 plus 1 power 100, correct? Now we will expand this thing. You know that on numerator we will apply binomial expansion, and the element in which 8 will be there will be divisible by 8, and the only part in which 8 is not there is the last element, correct? So last element will carry what? 100c 100, 8 power 0 into 1 power 100. So the last element is this. So 100c 100 is what? 1. 8 power 0 is 1. 1 power 100 is 1. This means what? We got 1 by 8. So remainder is 1 and the fractional part is 1 by 8. I hope you got the idea. And also here you cannot apply Fermat-Little theorem because the number by which you are dividing is not a prime. Okay, so here you cannot apply that concept. I hope you got clarity about this question. Okay.